Hey, it's Tony talking car biz. Quick video. One of my viewers asked the question, and I get this question quite often on vehicles like the Sienna. And the question was, what's the distance from the back of the tailgate here on the Sienna with the seat folded down? So 2022 Sienna, I folded down 40% here. And then the question was, how far is it up to the front of these back seats up here? So let's take a look. So you can see I've got this back seat as far forward as it goes. It doesn't look like it's all the way forward, but it is on this track down here, which really limits how far it'll go that way. So you can see there's still room, but the seat does not slide far any further forward. So the question being, how far is it from the back to here? You're looking at about 6 feet, maybe 1 inch. But what I wanted to point out is the seat actually gets further in the further up it goes. So you might go from 6'1" down here to, if you're stacking stuff up, it could be as much as 6'3" all the way up here. So 6'1" from the bottom and probably 6'2", 6'3" up here. I don't know what you're going to haul, but I just wanted to give you all a tip on that. Now, the great thing about this Sienna seat, if you haven't seen it in person, the seat is on this really nice long track right here, and it's designed to be able to be slid anywhere in between there. So you can actually bring the seat all the way back there, and then you'll have a ton of cargo room in front of those seats. So it gives you that option of having those back seats down and having those sled back, and still a lot of cargo room. You can see how much leg room there is, to say nothing about, or say little about, the cargo room. So I hope you found this helpful. About 6'1" on the bottom and about 6'2" or 6'3" at the top of the seat. And that's going to be your 2022 Sienna. This is an XLE. The distance is going to be the same regardless of the trim. And this is a Woodland edition. So you could technically drop both those seats down and have up to 6 foot 2 inches of distance. But it's not 8 feet. So if you're looking for 4x8 sheet of plywood, that's not going to work. Hope you found this helpful. This is Tony talking car biz. Thanks for watching.